friends, good afternoon. Welcome to chemistry class. In this class, we will discuss about the class notes of the chapter chemical bonding. So, we will discuss about the questions of the chapter chemical bondings and tells the answer of those questions in this part. Okay, so let's start. Move to the question part. That is yes from your questions. In 2007, which type of questions are come from this section are number 1, first question, name the charged particle which attract one another to form electrovalent compound. So ions, basically cation and anions, are oppositely charged particles which attract one another to form an electrovalent compound. Means in electrovalent compounds there are two opposite charge ions attract to each other and form a electrovalent compound. How the electrons involved in the formation of the covalent bond? So covalent bond is formed by the sharing of the electrons. When two non-metallic elements share electron with each other, then covalent bond formation takes place. The electronic configuration of nitrogen 2,5, how many electrons in their outermost shell of nitrogen atom are not involved in the formation of nitrogen molecule. So 2 electrons in the outer shell of each nitrogen atoms are involved in sharing during the formation of nitrogen molecule. Okay, so 2 electrons in the outer shell of each nitrogen are not involved in the sharing of formation of nitrogen, because in nitrogen there are 5 valence electrons in which these 3 electrons will participate in the sharing and these 2 electrons will not participate in the sharing. So there are 2 electrons are left. Okay, in the formation of magnesium chloride, direct combination of magnesium and chlorine, name the substance that oxidize and substance that is reduced. So magnesium will release electrons, so it will oxidize, and chlorine will accept electrons, so it will reduce. Okay, now come to the question of 2000 years. State which is not a common characteristic of an electrovalent compound. A high melting point, conduct electricity when molten, consist of oppositely charged ions, and D is ionized when dissolved in water. So ionized when dissolved in water. It is not a characteristic of a covalent compound, because covalent compounds on dissolving water not gives any type of ion. Only electrovalent compounds will give ions when they are dissolved in water. State the terms defined in case of a bond formed by shared pair of electron, each bonding atom contributing one atom a pair, a shared pair of electron, both electron coming from the same. So in the case of when only one electron is participating in the sharing, then covalent bond will form, and if there are two electrons of outermost shell taking part in the sharing, then coordinate bond is formed. Okay, now come to the questions of 2009. The one which is composed of all the three kinds of bonds, ionic, covalent and ionic bond is, means the name those compounds which have all three type of compounds. So this is ammonium chloride, because in ammonium chloride there are covalent compound, ionic compound and electrovalent compound, ionic compound and coordinate bond. All three type of bonds are present in this molecule. Okay, draw the structure and formula of carbon tetrachloride and state the type of bond present in it. So carbon tetrachloride is formed by the sharing of the electrons. The structure is shown here, in which one carbon atom shared one electron from the center atom of the carbon and form Lewis dot structure like this and the bonded structure like this. And there is the bond between carbon and chlorine is formed by the sharing of the electron, so it will contains 4 covalent bonds. Okay, now come to the questions of 2010. Select the correct answer from ABCD metals loses electron during the ionization. So this change can be called oxidation, reduction, redox reaction, displacement. So the answer will be oxidation, because in case of oxidation, when an element loses electron, then it will get converted into ion. Then this process is known as the oxidation process. Select the right answer from the given choice. Covalent bond, ionic bond, covalent and coordinate bond for each of the following: sodium chloride, ammonium ion and carbon tetrachloride. So in sodium chloride we know that ionic bond is present, in ammonium ion covalent and coordinate both type of bond will be present, and in carbon tetrachloride before it we have seen that there are only covalent bonds are present. Now come to the questions of 2011. In covalent compound the bond is formed due to the sharing oblique transfer of electron. The answer will be sharing. Electrovalent compounds have a high oblique low boiling point, so it contains high boiling points. And 3 is a molecules of nitrogen will contain triple bond, because we know that in nitrogen there will triple bond present, so nitrogen will contain triple bond. Okay. Second question, draw an electron dot diagram showing the lone pair effect for formation of ammonium ion and from ammonia gas and hydrogen ion. So hydrogen contains one electron, one proton. After losing one electron, it has only one proton and zero electron. So ammonia has one lone pair of electron which is donated to hydrogen atom, forming a coordinate bond. When hydrogen lose one electron, then it has no electron left in their valence shell. Then nitrogen atom of ammonia will give these two electrons to this hydrogen atom and form a coordinate bond. Okay. So next one is give reason. Hydrogen chloride can be treated as a polar covalent compound, because in case of hydrogen chloride, due to electronegativity difference, the sharing electrons will attracted by this chlorine atom, and due to which the chlorine atom shows slightly negative and hydrogen atom will show slightly positive charge. So being a covalent compound, hydrogen chloride will show slightly electrovalent character, or you can say ionic character. Okay. Now come on the question of 2012. So draw an electron dot diagram to show the structure of hydronium ion. State the type of bonding presented. So hydronium ion, it has coordinate bond, and it is the Lewis dot structure of hydronium ion, in which oxygen contain 8 electrons with one positive charge. As we know that when an atom have extra electrons than their octet, then it will contains a positive charge. So in case of hydronium ion, H3O, oxygen will contains positive charge. This it will be the formula of hydronium ion. There are 3 elements E, F, G with the atomic number 19, 8 and 17 respectively. Give the molecular formula of the compound found between E and G and state the type of chemical bond in this compound. So chemical formula Eg in chemical bond is ionic bond. How Eg will form? E is 19, 2, 8, 8 and 1, and G is 8, so 2 and 6. So it will give one electron after converting into one positive ion, and after gaining electrons, that will be the oxygen will carry 2 negative charge. So in this, with the one atom of G, there will be 2 atom of potassium will combine. Okay. So the formula, the chemical formula will be Eg, and chemical bond is ionic bond. 2013. So chemical terms for a bond formed by the shared pair of electron with both the electron coming from the same electron, that is coordinate bond. So these are the some questions of year wise question which are given in your book. Okay. Now come to the most important, that is additional questions. Okay. So state the force which holds two or more together stable molecules. Two elements, to hold two elements, there is a chemical bond is present. Draw the geometrical atomic structure representation and electronic configuration of atom of these elements. Group 14, carbon atomic number this, nitrogen 7, oxygen period 3. So these are the structures in which the distribution of electrons is shown here. In first cell there are 2 electrons, in second cell there are 6 electrons. The electronic configuration 2 and carbon 2 and 4, 2 and 4, and atomic number 7, 2 and 5, atomic number 8, 2 and 6. So these will be the electronic configurations of these elements. Okay, sodium atomic number 11, the electron distribution in first cell 2, in second cell 8, and in third cell it will be 1. Magnesium it will be 2, 8 and 2. So in that case you can write the electronic configuration for any half element. Okay, now what is meant by the term chemical bond and chemical bonding? So the linkage oblique force which act between two or more atoms to hold them together as a stable molecule is called chemical bonds. Chemical bonding, the concept of chemical bond is called chemical bonding. Okay, state why noble gases are unreactive. Because in noble gases they have complete octet, they have not required to release or gain electrons, so they are unreactive. State the reason for the chemical bonding between two atoms and methods involved for achieving the same, and how the duplet and octet rules are involved for an atom to achieve stable electronic configuration. So the driving force of an atom to combine to related to the tendency of atom to attain stable configuration is nearest noble gases. So every element want to complete their octet and become like some noble gases, and for this he loses electron and gains electrons. Okay, and complete their octet means he wants to complete 8 electron in their valence shell. It is called octet rule. Okay, method for achieving the chemical bonding: the stable electronic configuration for two combining atoms resulting in the chemical bonding between them is achieved by two way. One is electron transfer, in which there is a electrovalent bond will form, as we know that, and one is electron transfer oblique sharing, electron sharing, in which a covalent bond will form, as we have discussed before it. Okay, so these are the questions. Okay, so these are some important questions of these chapters about which we have discussed here. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.